Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello student, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Fine.
I'm fine,
I'm
thanks. And how
fine.
about you?
Yes, I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we are going to have the lesson, please put your presence on WA group. And the second,
Okay.
better for us do praying before going to the lesson. Can Afrilia lead for praying with your friend?
Yes, sir. Pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Afrilia. Okay, student, in this day, we will learn about procedure tag. So please pay attention to the PPT I share to you.
Ya,
Yeah.
ayo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello student, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Fine.
I'm fine,
I'm
thanks. And how
fine.
about you?
Yes, I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we are going to have the lesson, please put your presence on WA group. And the second,
Okay.
better for us do praying before going to the lesson. Can Afrilia lead for praying with your friend?
Yes, sir. Pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Afrilia. Okay, student, in this day, we will learn about procedure tag. We had known that procedure tag is around us. So we will learn more about it in this material. So please pay attention to the PPT I share to you. First, observe the picture below. What do you see in the picture? Maybe Yuni?
Handphone, sir.
Photograph.
Handphone. And then more
Smartphone.
specific maybe.
Smartphone camera.
Camera. How to use
Camera
camera?
on a smartphone.
Okay. How to use the camera? There are some steps to use the camera. So the step is called the procedure. So let's check the material for the procedure. The learning objective of the procedure tag today, and they are to learn the definition. The second, the kind of the procedure tag. The third, to learn the purpose of the tag. Then the fourth, to learn the generic structure. Next, to learn the language features. And the last, to learn the example. Okay, are you ready on the material, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. For the first, the definition. Aprilia, can you read the definition?
All right. A procedure text is a kind of text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. The text explains or helps us how to make or use something through sequence of steps.
Okay, next, after the definition, we will learn about the kind of the text. Generally, procedure text divide into manual and receipt. But okay, next, the purpose of the text. Wulan Anggraini, can you read the purpose of the text?
Yeah, the purpose of the text is to explain or tell the people how to make, operate, or do something through a sequence of actions or steps.
Okay, great. For the procedure tag, there are 3 points atau 3 generic structure. The first is goal or aim. The second, material or ingredients. And the last, step or method. Okay, the next is language feature, especially in the form of command or imperative sentence. Next is using action verb then using conjunction, using adverbial of sequence, or using temporal conjunction to show the sequence of steps. And the last is using adverbial to express the detailed time, place, and manner accurately. Okay, before the last, I have the example. This is the example of the procedure tag in the form of manual. What is the title of the tag? Do you know?
Setting up a Gmail account.
Okay, great. Setting up Gmail account. From this tag, setting up the Gmail account, this is the title. From the title, we can see aim. Related to the generic structure, aim usually represent in the title of the tag. And the second, material is a sequence of instruction to do something. For this text, this instruction is used to setting up the Gmail account. From the tag, we know that this tag has three main generic structure. The first is aim, the second is material, and the last is the step. So before we are going to have the exercise today, can you give me a reflection? Only a little reflection. For example, Wulan Anggraini, what you have learned today?
We have learned about how to make a procedure text.
Okay, thank you. For Aprilia. Okay. What is the purpose of the tag?
To explain or tell the people how to make, operate, or do something through a sequence of actions or steps.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any question, maybe?
No, sir.
Oh, no, sir. Okay, thank
No.
you. Yes. If you don't have a question, please take your handphone or your smartphone and then open up the WhatsApp group. In a WhatsApp group class, I put the exercises so you have accomplished that quiz in 30 minutes. You can join the quiz by clicking the link that I provide or that I share to your WhatsApp group class. Okay, student, I think that is enough explanation. And see you next time. Let's close our meeting today by saying Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.